Here to ascertain what I heard on the news, that my application has been okayed, but the EC is demanding out of court settlement from our party before they will give me the green light to contest the elections. I'm also not aware of the case because I've not been served by any court writ. But from the EC's point of view, two personalities from our party has summoned the EC before High Court, challenging my eligibility as the flag bearer of our party. And EC is demanding out of court settlements within 4 days from our end. Then he can give me the green light to contest the elections. But we have rules and regulations governing political party activities. And per our party's constitution, the Congress is the highest decision-making body of the party. We went for a Congress last year, and 1,500 delegates from our party unanimously endorsed my candidature. So EC should have gone to court and cleared this with the court.
I was told I've been disqualified, and I didn't take it lightly because first of all, this is not my first time of contesting. I contested in the 2008 elections, and the basis of my disqualification was that two people endorsed me, and those two people were involved in multiple registration. And my brother, how will I know that this person is involved in multiple registration? And number two, I submitted my forms on Thursday, and I remember Friday morning the EC called some of us to come and do some corrections on the forms. And unfortunately, that two people that they were talking about, they didn't come out to, make mention of that. So how come we came to do some 1 or 2 corrections, but that one, nobody tell us that they are involved in multiple registration, so it will affect us. And even then, the electoral law says that before maybe we will file our forms or whatever, the EC is supposed to give us the provisional voters register.
They didn't do that.
They didn't do that. So therefore, let's assume this voters register, the provisional one, was given to us. We could have cross-checked after our people have come from the various districts to do the filling of the nomination form.
I am here to call on the Electoral Commission, specifically the returning officer for the presidential election, who also happens to be the chairperson of the EC, to allow the opportunity to meet with me to rectify any anomaly identified in the nomination papers amicably. I have had a full discussion with my lawyers, and we have reviewed the document that we filed, which was just given to us today. And here's the document. It's a document that we filed. This is one of 4 copies that we filed. You see all the pages in that document. And it is only today that we have received this and had the opportunity to review them. And where anybody can call that there is a problem, there are those 2 places where I have put the sticker in all of the document. And they are not in the entire pages. They are in just some short, small sections in those 2 pages. And so, with all due respect, we believe that the issue we have here is not a matter of some fraudulent behavior on anybody's part, but an administrative or clerical matter that can be rectified quite simply. Based on the evidence that I have with me, which is in here, a 5-minute discussion with Mrs. Charlotte Osei, the returning officer, will result in me being cleared to contest this December 7, 2016 election as a presidential candidate.
Eti utie enkomo na course na but wo hwe interviews na kwa utumi sa hemfuchi ebi de debi achi
ebi de debi achi o se ndum
ebi wa utie areho
se nduma
nipa no hwe na
ebi wo so to se
udi president no
obrofo ne
ani mu brofo akese
be brofo ne
then
but he admitted said they called them to rectify and it's a rectification be woman even if one notify or send part mercy why double registration
Debbie na sare no kra na have a problem with that because to be a president na common background checks nipa say na endorse ade no what mean
217 or
background checks
district into nipa 400 and something and that's what we am but you see the kebema na is in the sense if you have structures on the ground as a political party
they will check before they bring those people.
It is your chairman, your secretary, your secretary who would go and get these people, or even they themselves can even endorse it for you. So I don't know any double registration because they would have registered at one place. But when it's not really structured on the ground, no, you go seeking people's help.
Yes, yeah, ma kwa no afre na fe nkomo ayedie no do anu atum ansakra na akwakohwe agudi munsem.